For about 3 years now, I've been using this card sleeve on my smartphone, and it's been working great. You can keep 3, 4 cards in here, some cash, a quarter or something, depending on what stores you frequent. And while using this, I discovered an amazing benefit. It protects the chips on your credit cards and IDs. I've experimented with this on all sorts of scanners at stores, gas stations, security checkpoints, and it works every time. Let's go to a top-down shot and get into some of the details of why this works. If you're interested in these sleeves specifically, I've tested out leather ones and the nylon lycra ones. I prefer the lycra ones. They're a little more flexible and they can hold the cards a little better. That video is posted up here and down below. They got this 3M stickiness on it, whether it's that one or this one, and that's just the coating, and you can put it on any smartphone. Press it on there, and you're good to go. This works for any kind of ID, credit cards. And how does the smartphone protect the chip? You know, some people would say if you stack the chips up, there's enough interference between trying to read all 3 that you make it secure. But I've also tested it independently, one at a time, whether it's an ID or a credit card. And how does it work? Well, every phone has a magnetic field that goes around it. This is a simulator to give you a better idea of what a magnetic field is. It encapsulates the phone. That magnetic field interferes with the chip so that the chip cannot be read within the presence of the smartphone. And the sleeve is just perfect because it holds it right there in place. If you don't believe that this works, check it out yourself. You don't need the simulated magnetic field, but just take it like this. And if you don't want to buy this, but they're pretty cheap and they're certainly worth the money to get one of these sleeves. Just hold the card up to your phone and take it anywhere where there's a chip reader, put it up like this, and 100% of the time, at least for me, it works. And you can't read the chip. So there you go. A simple security feature that's built in to this card holder. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in evaluations and discovery of opportunities with tech, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, home repairs, I do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what hidden feature you're gonna see.